They say knowledge is power, but is simply having knowledge enough? Hey, what's happening, my friends? Nick Rehmani here, and I hope all is well with you and yours in health and in spirits, and welcome to this video. See, throughout history, knowledge has been the beacon that has guided societies, inspired revolutions, and sparked innovations. But there's a difference between knowing something and truly understanding it. The real challenge, taking knowledge and turning that into meaningful action. But why do so many of us resist? Often, it's because the truth that comes with knowledge demands change. Change can be daunting. It can mean leaving comfort zones, challenging personal beliefs, or embracing the unfamiliar. Yet, it's these very acts of courage, fueled by knowledge, that lead to the most profound transformations. So, to those who not only seek knowledge, but have the bravery to change in its light, we celebrate you. Because while you can give a person knowledge, it's up to them to truly think, act, and transform. So, here's to the brave souls who do. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and inspiration. Check the description for additional resources, or you can go to freedomlifebusiness.com and opt in so you never miss out on any valuable content such as this one. Always make it a great day, and don't be afraid to go for your dreams. God bless, and bye for now.